Hi, welcome. My name is Mohammad Faizan and I will be the instructor of this course. In this video lecture, I am going to show you how can we download and install a text editor for writing a code in PHP. There are lots of text editor like Sublime, Notepad++, and IDE like NetBeans Visual Studio. But in our series, I will use Bracket because it is an open source text editor. So let us start. You can search Bracket. This is the official website of Bracket text editor. A modern open source text editor that understands web design. We can download by clicking on this button. So the downloading is completed. Go to the folder and click on the setup. Click on run. Here we can select the path, but it is a default, so we are not changing the path now. Click on next. Click on install. Do you want to allow the program to install software on this computer? Yes. Now click finish to exit. It does look like this. You can read about this Bracket text editor on this website also. So from here we can open this text editor. These are the sample code and this is the sample page. So see you in next video.